How to fix Windows screen flickering or tearing while playing games. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your settings, go to system, go to display. After that, scroll down and then go to advanced display. After that, go to choose or refresh rate and then make sure you have chosen the highest rate available. Now exit, go to start menu, go to device manager. Now select display, find display and then double click on it. Double click on display adapter. Now simply right click on your driver and then tap on update driver. Make sure you have the best driver installed. After that, right click on your GPU and then update it as well. So that will fix your problem. You can also install or add a separate driver if your current driver is not working. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.